Welcome to Tools and Twists. It's Robin, and today I've got a DIY Dollar Tree wreath tutorial. Perfect for fall and under $10. Let's hop right into it. What you're going to need for this project is a Dollar Tree metal wreath, some nautical rope, an assortment of leaves, of preferably fall leaves, and any other additional fall decor that you want to put on your wreath. You can also add felt, that's optional. What it does is just adds an extra layer of support, but it's not necessary. And there you have it. We have created an inexpensive Dollar Tree wreath that's perfect for fall and looks amazing on my door, if I do say so myself. So be sure again to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram for some of my additional projects, tools_and_twist. Additional social media information can be found in my description box, as well as links to all of the products that I use to create this wreath. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Tools and Twist.